In this video, we are going to show you how to add a blog to Shopify, how to create and post articles on your Shopify store. So it's very easy. Of course, you need to be actually logged in. Make sure you are logged in and you are in your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are here, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be where your main menu is at. What you want to do, if you click on content, there's going to be a drop down. So it's going to be the last option that says blog posts, right? So click on blog posts like so. You will be brought to the blog post screen. Here, it's either you've already made one, but as of this video, you're probably looking how to do so, so you probably don't have anything here yet. So once you're here, all you need to do is click on Create Blog Post. It's the black bar here. So Create Blog Post, and it's going to bring you to this page. If you've done blogging before, it's very simple. It's the same thing. All you need to do is add the title, right? So insert the title here. Make sure that is appealing, it is enticing, it is eye-catching, and then just add the copy here. So just add there. It's pretty much the same way with Microsoft Word. You can make it bold, you can italicize, you can actually make it underlined depending on what you need to emphasize on your article. And once that's done, you can actually add images, right? If you want to add, like, for example, you want to blog about denims, right? Then denim is in season. You want to add images that you took with your photographer, with your models, for example, wearing denim jeans or denim outfits. You can add it here. After that, you can actually change the author name here, right? You can change the author name, whoever it is. After that, you can also change the blog, type. So from news, actions, or other niche or other categories that you have, and you can also add tags here to make sure it's streamlined and SEO optimized within your store. And after that, all you need to do is click on save here on top and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.